Today we're going to be reviewing and comparing the HiBoy KS4 and KS4 Pro electric scooters. HiBoy makes some of the most popular e-scooters available on Amazon, so we got both models and put them to the test. These models start at $600, but there are some deals available, so be sure to check the description of this video for the most up-to-date prices and coupon codes. First up, looking at shipping and setup, they ship in a large box, and inside you get the scooter, instruction manual, charger, and a set of tools. For setup, all you need to do is mount the handlebar by dropping it into the stem and screwing in the included screws on both sides. For specs, the KS4 has a 350-watt motor with a top speed of 19 miles per hour and a battery range of 17 miles. Meanwhile, the KS4 Pro has a 500-watt motor with a top speed of 19 miles per hour and a battery range of 25 miles. While the KS4 Pro has a bigger motor, they both accelerate at the same speed, so the biggest difference is the extra range. Both models have a hill climbing ability of 15 degrees, which will get you up moderate hills, but will struggle on anything steeper. They also both have a max rider weight of 220 pounds. One difference between the two is in the tires. The KS4 has 8.5-inch tires that feature a honeycomb style, which means there's pockets throughout the tire which act as an absorber for bumps and cracks in the road. The KS4 Pro has slightly larger tires that are 10-inch wide, making the KS4 Pro look and stand a little bit higher. The KS4 Pro tires also have a honeycomb design, but it's not full cutouts like the regular KS4. These are solid tires and meant to last longer, and since they're not air-filled, you'll never have to worry about getting a flat or replacing tubes. Aside from the tires, both the KS4 and KS4 Pro have integrated rear shocks. They're built in underneath the deck in the rear. Unfortunately, we found them to be quite stiff, so while they do work, they won't dampen the ride as much as fork suspension. For braking, both models have a rear disc brake, along with electronic ABS braking in the front using the hub motor. This allows dual front and rear braking to bring you to a quick stop. Both scooters feature a new integrated display built into the top of the stem. It's a bright and upgraded LED display compared to their previous models, and it shows riding mode, current speed, battery capacity, headlight, and cruise control. Both model scooters have two riding modes. You can toggle between D or S, with S giving you the max speed of 19 miles per hour. For lights, they both feature front LED and rear lights that will help light up the road, with the rear light also functioning as a brake light. Both models also have a strip of LEDs on the side of the deck. They turn on automatically when you turn on the lights, but they can't change colors. Taking a look at the app, you compare to both the KS4 and KS4 Pros to monitor their speed, distance, control the riding modes, and even do remote upgrades of the scooter's firmware. For warranty, HiBoy has a 12-month warranty on all parts except for the battery, which has a shorter 6-month warranty. And the HiBoy scooters even feature the ability to add an optional seat, if you want to ride sitting. There's a flap on the rear of the deck, and underneath is a hole for mounting the seat. Finally, folding the KS4 and KS4 Pro is a breeze. They have a well-designed folding latch system that allows you to fold the stem and secure to the rear. Carrying the scooters, the KS4 weighs 32 pounds, while the KS4 Pro weighs 6 pounds more at 38 pounds. Overall, both are an excellent choice for buying an electric scooter on Amazon. We recommend the KS4 Pro for those who are trying to go a little bit further for longer commutes. Alright, that's it for now. Next, be sure to check out our other best electric scooter videos and reviews next.